Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to be trying out a Stila product. I feel like I have barely tried out any Stila products and I want to try out so many more. So here I have the Huge Extreme Lash Mascara, which I got in my December 2021 Boxycharm premium box, which if you have not seen that unboxing video yet, it's up here on my YouTube channel, and I'm really happy with the products that I got in that box. So you should definitely check that video out. This mascara retails for $23, and it has some huge claims to it. I mean, it's called Huge Extreme Lash Mascara, and they are making huge claims. So it's a fiber mascara that says it's a volumizing, long-wearing mascara that drenches every lash in intense triple black pigments and builds unstoppable color for the boldest, blackest lashes ever. With just one coat, you instantly get major volume, length, and lift, along with that intense black color. Go as bold as you want, even with multiple coats. This flexible formula leaves lashes soft with no clumps, flakes, or fallouts. And I love extremely volumizing large lashes, so I really hope I'm able to achieve that with this mascara. And oh my gosh, this is really pretty packaging, and it's a large mascara. I wonder if it has a huge wand. Interesting looking wand, because it's almost like it's missing some bristles. It's like uneven in length. Interesting. It looks like silicone spike bristles, but some are really short, some are long. It doesn't really have a uniform shape to it, but I guess we'll see how it is. Doesn't seem like it should be too messy. But okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start layering up one of my eyes. I mean, I'm not really feeling like it's gripping the lashes too well with this wand. It's like barely grabbing onto the lashes, but it actually is showing up pretty nicely with this first coat, just like it claims. Even though I feel like I'm barely brushing it onto my lashes, it is actually showing up a lot. Like immediately, it has a volumizing effect, really is looking dark black. The lashes are staying separated. It also does seem to be lengthening, like it's fully coating every lash. Wow. I mean, this is the effect that some mascaras take many coats to achieve. Like even this right here looks so good. And I applied that so quickly. Oh my gosh, this is off to such a great start. I'm gonna go ahead now and try it out on the lower lashes. Ooh, it's not super messy either. I'm getting the slightest bit on my under eye, none on my eyelid yet. So I really like this as a lower lash mascara too, because on my lower lashes, I really just want them to show up. I'm not trying to get them too intensely lengthened or volumized, but this dark black color shows my lower lashes really nicely. They're all getting coated, no smudging. So I'm liking this. This is looking so beautiful already. I'm excited to see what I can get as I layer it up. Yeah, just very volumizing, buildable, and I love that it's sticking fully from root to tip, because so many times I just feel like the mascara doesn't really stick onto the tips of my lashes, and this is looking so good. It's a dark black color, but I don't feel like it's like such a different shade of black than any other black mascara. But what's not super normal is how incredibly volumizing this is immediately. Like, you do not have to sit here layering and layering for a long time because I think I've already layered it up as much as I really can without the lashes getting so heavy and volumized that they're going to stick together. So I really like this. I only got the tiniest mascara up here on the brow bone, and it is pretty curling. Like, I have pretty straight lashes, but I didn't curl them with a lash curler before this, and there is some slight curl to this. It doesn't make my lashes so curled that I wouldn't want to use a lash curler, but compared to my eye without it, there's definitely more curl. Definitely a lot of volume and good length as well. So I can show you the beautiful difference with it versus without it. I'm so happy that I was able to achieve this level of length and volume and color with my mascara so quickly, because this really is what I look for in a mascara, but a lot of times it takes me so long to achieve this. So this mascara is available at Ulta, and it has decent ratings, but not incredible ratings, and I'm surprised. I think this deserves more hype. And I love when a mascara is really good for both of the top and the bottom lashes, because the quality that I look for in a good top or bottom lash is going to be different, but this is great for both. I do feel like this left eye on me is a little bit messier, and the lashes are sticking together a little bit more. This eye, for some reason, just in general seems to be a little messier for me. Like, I get mascara on my eyelid, just like towards the front in that same spot on this eye, like all the time. So I almost feel like you want to go in with a thin coat of this mascara first and build it up that way, since it's beautifully buildable, but you don't want to apply too much that then the lashes stick together, since it does have so much volume and kind of like a weight to it, if that makes sense. So now I'm kind of spending a little bit longer just brushing through these lashes to keep them separated and looking more fanned out, since that's the look that I want. But definitely able to achieve the ideal look for my lashes. Like, it really does give a false lash effect, right? I feel like my lashes are looking so long, and I really think that's because of the Wander Beauty mascara that I've been using, which claimed to make your lashes grow, and I can truly see a difference. I think my lashes are looking longer than they've looked probably since I started using Babe Lash, the gold Babe Lash serum. Like, that Wander Beauty mascara really works. So then that Wander Beauty mascara combined with this one to just really emphasize the length of my lashes, I feel like is such an amazing combination. And my finished look, isn't it beautiful? It really enhances the eyes, and this is the only eye makeup product I have on, but it just, you know, frames the eyes so beautifully that it really doesn't even require any other eye makeup for it to really emphasize the eyes. So if you've tried this mascara, I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on it. Also, one thing I did want to try out was, is it actually smudge proof? It is. There is no mascara on my finger. I've never tried this trick before, but since it's a fiber mascara that claimed to be smudge proof, I wanted to try that out, and it really is smudge proof. I'm so excited about that. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.